Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is lecture number 11, solid modeling course. In this lecture, we'll make the assembly using welding. Exercise number 1, using given Autodesk Inventor part files for the following: make assembly and weldments using Inventor. So we have the first part and second part and third part for this exercise, and we want to make the assembly. So now we will open the Inventor. We'll go to a new file. As you see here, we have assembly using mold design, standard assembly, weldment assembly. I will choose the weldment assembly. You can choose in ANSI standard or DIN or ISO or JS. It's up to you. I will select the ANSI, create file. First of all, we have to assemble the part. So I will go to assembly, then place the part. I will go to the downloads where I have the files, part files. So I have this part, we need this part and this part and this part. I will place them here. Now I am the designer, so I know exactly, I should know how much distances and displacements we need, offsets or whatever, or how to assemble it. So let me start assembling. I will go to Constrain. At the beginning, I will assemble this part with this part. So I should mate. Before that, let me free rotate this part like this. Now I will constrain mating this surface to this surface, apply, cancel. Then I will try to make this surface parallel to this surface, okay, by constraining. I will choose flush, select this surface with this surface with 0 offset as you see here, apply, cancel. Now the last thing, we want to use the orbit to show the other side. Then I will go to Constrain and do flush. Distance between this surface and this surface, they should be parallel with some distance, offset distance. Let me go back to the file and see how much distance. Now as you see here, the distance from here to here should be known exactly how much. It is 40. It is 40 minus 21 minus the 8. So it is 40 minus 29, which is 11. So we know the distance now, how much it is, 11. I will put offset 11 or minus 11. Okay. I think it's 11 too much. 11 too much. Let me sorry, 11, not 19. 11. No, it's okay. Apply, cancel. Next step, we have to assemble the other part, the final part, like this. It should be like this, as you see in the drawing file here. So we will use the mate, constrain. Maybe we'll choose the, I prefer to choose mating surface to surface in welding assembly, because when you mate edge to edge, maybe this edge will be chamfered later, or using welding, it would be a problem. So try to make mating surface to surface always in welding better. Okay, can I use the edge? Yes, you can use, but take care about the welding. When you try to make a groove or chamfer, that edge will disappear. So the assembly it was done on that edge, and there will be a problem. So I will choose flush surface, this one to this one, make it parallel without any offset, apply, cancel. Okay, and also flush this surface, make it parallel to this surface without any offset, apply, cancel. And the last thing, mate this surface with the bottom surface of the upper one. So I will use free rotate like this. Now I will constrain, direct constrain or mate. this surface to this surface without any offset. Apply, cancel. Now we got the correct assembly. Next step we want to add the welding. For the welding, guys, regarding the welding, we have to prepare sometimes the welding area, and sometimes it will be ready like this corner. Okay, for welding, I will go to weld. From welding here, as you see, we have preparation to prepare the weldment area. If you have a groove, if you want to add a groove, weld to start welding. I will start welding. Now, as you see, I'm inside the welding. I don't have any beds till now. And this is return. It will return you back to the assembly. Now I want to add a fillet welding. As you see, this fillet welding, it should be between this surface and this surface, guys. Okay, so I will choose surface number 1 and then go back to here to select the other face and select the other face. Now the welding height, it is 5 by 5 or 2 by 2, or it could be 5 by 10, 5 by 10. It depends. What we have here in the class work, it should be not given here exactly how much, so I will use 5 by 5. 5 by 5, it will be good. You can change the direction or the contour, it's up to you. And here are some start offset, end offset, if you want to change them. Apply, cancel. We got this welding. I will repeat on the second corner from the other side like this. Again, fillet welding, select the first surface, go back to here, click on the second surface, select the second surface. By the way, if you have adjacent faces or corners or so the chain, you can select chain here, but in our case we don't have chain. Apply, cancel. The last thing to do in this exercise, we want to weld this part with this part. So we can't add a filler material here or welding, so we have to prepare the weldment area. We have two options in this case. The first option, we can update or edit the original object, so I will do it now. Double click on this part. See, I'm inside the part file. You can return back to the welding assembly by click return. So now I will go to chamfer, or you can click direct on this edge and select chamfer, make it 2 by 2 chamfer, it's okay. Apply, cancel. Now you can save the file and then return. You have the chamfer here. And same thing, double click on this part, go to this edge, make chamfer 2 by 2, apply, cancel, then return back to the original assembly. Now we can add the welding. Go to welds. I will select groove welding. Select the surface number 1, it's the upper surface. Full face weld. Now click here and go select the second surface, full face width, apply, cancel. If you want to make it from inside also, you have to choose the fillet welding, not the groove welding. I told you this is the first option. What is the second option? If you want, by the way, this option, it will affect the original part. So if you go back to this part, you'll see there is a permanent chamfer here. But what if you want to keep the original part as it is and you want to prepare the area of welding inside the assembly only? It will not affect the part. I will show you how. I will make undo. I will get back to the original assembly like this. So now as you see, the parts, they are as they. Now I will go to preparation. I'm inside the preparation mode now. See, you can go back to the assembly by return. Now we can choose one of the options, which is chamfer. We'll go to say that here, create chamfer 2 by 2. Not this one, sorry, the other one. Again, chamfer. I will select this edge 2 by 2, apply. Then I will go select the other edge 2 by 2, apply, cancel. Now return back to the assembly. Now double click on this part. As you see, the part we don't have a permanent chamfer here, because this way it will not affect the original part. Return back to the assembly. Now we can add a weldment, a groove weldment. I will select the first surface by mistake. Okay, groove again. Select the first surface, go back to here, full face width. Select the second surface, go back to here, full face width, apply, cancel. This is the exercise number 1. Regarding the exercise number 2, before let us save the welding assembly. Say that assembly number 4. Okay. Yes to all. Okay. Now, as you see in the question, it says that print out drawing to show the assembly isometric and multi-views. It's very easy. We have to go back to here, file, new file, drawing sheet. You can use any drawing sheet. This is ANSI. I will prefer to use it ANSI also. It could be Inventor or drawing, Invent drawing or drawing file. I will place the base. I will go and look and find the assembly, welding assembly. This is the welding assembly. It's okay. The selected weldment document is not rolled back. Okay, I forgot something very important, guys. I will show you what I should do. I will go back to the assembly. See, still return here. I didn't return to the original assembly. I should finish the welding by returning to the assembly and save it now. Now I will go back to drawing number 3. Base. I will select. By the way, I have a problem here in multi-views, the view. I will go back to assembly. Go to the left. See, it's not proper view. What should I do, guys? Say that I want to select this face as a front view. I will go to view, look at, then select look at this face. Now I will go to home, right click on the home, set current view as home. No, set current view as a front view. Now see, everything is okay. This is the home. You can select any angle you want and save it again. Then go back to drawing file, base. Now see, this is the front view. It's okay. Scale, say that 2:1. Okay. Project. This is the, by the way, this is the bottom view. If you want the first angle, keep it like this. But if you want the third angle, you should. Sorry, this is the top view, correct top view. Keep it like this. Right click, create, and project from front to the side view. And this is actually this is the right side view. Create. Surely you have to add. Say that you can go to annotation. Add center marks for this circle and this circle, this circle, this circle, and also you can add center line between this one and this one, axis between this one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one. And if you want to add some details, it's up to you. And regarding the isometric, go back to place, project from front toward the isometric, create. If you like the scale, double click. You can change the scale. If you like it, keep it, make it shade better. Okay. And last thing, these lines, it's not original lines. Right click, visibility off. This one same, this one same, this one same, this one same, and so on. Then you can print them using Ctrl P. Choose the PDF, best fit, preview, and finally print it. And finally choose the print and save it on your desktop or whatever you want. Now, next exercise, I will close this one. I will go to file. I will open a new file. Say that we want to use the millimeter weldment assembly. Same story. I will show you the exercise number 2. This is exercise number 2. So we have the 3 parts. I will go to Inventor again. I will go to assembly at the beginning, place the part like the previous one exactly. I'm waiting the Inventor to open to place the part. It's a little bit slow now, I don't know why. It will place from the content center. We have some standard parts here. I will go back to place. From file, I will choose the 3 parts. This is the first one, and this is the second one, and I think this is the third one. I will place them here. So we have 3 parts. I will go here. As you see, this is the middle one, and we have this one from right, this one from left. So this is the middle one. Okay, let me go back to see exactly. This is at the middle. See this one, there is this distance larger than this distance, but for this one, same distance, symmetrical. Okay, now it means that maybe this is the one. Okay, the smaller one. Free rotate, just to show you what I'm trying to do, like this. Okay, now we have to assemble this one. Free rotate like this. First of all, as I told you, constrain, maybe you can use a flush. I want to flush, make as example this surface, or mate this surface to mate with this surface. Apply, cancel, like this, and then we can constrain flush this surface with this surface without any offset, and same thing from here, constrain flush this surface with this surface without any offset. And regarding this part, it should be from the other side. Same story exactly. We have to constrain it correctly. So what I will do, I will go to constrain, mate this surface with this surface, apply, cancel, again, not joint, constrain, say that I want to flush, make this surface and this surface parallel without any offset, apply, cancel, and as you see, the last step, constrain, flush, make this surface and this surface parallel without any offset, apply, cancel. Now, as assembly, it's ready. As an assembly, it's ready. Like this. Okay. Now we want to add the weldment. As you see, we have to create a groove here and a groove here to add groove welding and fill it from bottom. So we can go to prepare, go to weldment, prepare. I'm inside the preparation mode now. Select chamfer. I will choose the upper edge like this. The chamfer distances, I think 4 by 4 distances. So I will choose 4 like this. Apply. I will choose the other one. Apply, and I will go to here. Apply, and this one. Apply. So we prepared the chamfers. I will go to weld now. By the way, before preparation, we have to go to return like this. Okay, return to go back to the weldment. Now welds, open the weld. We have fillet and the groove welding. As you see here, we have to select this surface, face full. Go back, select this second surface and select the second surface correctly. Full, apply, cancel. And same thing here. Groove welding, first surface, full, click here, second surface. Be careful when you select the surfaces, apply, cancel. Now from bottom here we have actually the fillet welding. We did a mistake here. This one should be flipped. So what I will do, I will go back and remove this bed. This is, I think, this part number 1 weldment here, beds. This is groove welding number 1. Delete and come to this part, delete. Okay, let me go to assembly, not from the center, sorry. I will go and place, because I am inside the weldment here, I will go to place. I will select the part again. I think, let me bring this one and this one, both of them, and decide which one. this one and this one, they are same. I think this one. So I will constrain meet this surface with this surface, apply, cancel, and carefully I will constrain flush this surface with this surface, make them parallel without any offset, apply, and final thing, constrain flush, make this surface and this surface parallel to each other without any offset, done. And final thing, I will go to weld, preparation. From preparation mode, I will go to chamfer, select this one, 4x4, apply, cancel, get back to the assembly, go to the weldment, groove welding, and choose this surface, full, second surface, this is second surface, full, apply, cancel. And finally, we have to prepare, say that the other fillet width, weld, sorry, between this surface and this surface. It is 4x4. I think it's 4x4 for the other one. All of them 4x4. Okay. Again, fillet welding. I will select between this surface and this surface. It is 4x4. It's correct contour. Change direction. Here we have length measurement. Here we have keep it length measurement. We can't make the welding. I will check. Actually, I forgot. We have to. I will do it again. Fillet. We have to we forgot to change the. See here we are selecting the first one, and then go back to here and select the other one, and it's 4x4 as you see here. It's apply, cancel, and same thing for the other one. Weld. It is fillet welding. Select the first one, go back to here, select the second one, and it's 4x4, apply, cancel, finished. And the last step, how to make the multi-views. I told you how to make the multi-views in exercise number 1. So we finished the welding. Thank you so much.